Hi friends, welcome to AI Testing with Vijay. In this video we are going to see how to generate HTML reports or XML reports. So like for any automation tester, you need to provide certain test reports, right? For that, what are the past failures? For that, we need to provide the test reports to the test managers or to the clients, right? So to generate, we can't give the screenshots, right? But in build we have certain plugins which will help us, like for HTML and XML we will be making use of them. For that you need certain packages to be installed in your machine. So if you want to generate a HTML report, you need to install pip install pytest then -html. So this is the package you need to install. So once it get executed, then you can see successfully installed HTML 4.1. Now CLS. Now to make use of this execution report, so now you need to give something like pytest-v, and what is the file name you want to execute, then html is equal to what is the report name you want to give, something like system, some application name, web execution report dot html. Try to execute it. Now it will generate the HTML report, and you can see it from here, generated HTML report. This is the location, and if you see it here, web application report dot html, you can open with your browser, whatever you like click on Explorer. Now it will execute, it will open in Edge browser, so you can see it. So what is the Python version used, what is the platform you executed, what are the plugins you used, and you can see how many pass, how many failures. So right now you can uncheck this, so that this is like an interactive. Okay, so right now you want to see the past test cases, you can click on it. You want to see the failures, you can see, and what is the failure reason also you can see. And we can even customize this particular HTML format. So going forward we will be learning that as well. So this is how you can generate the HTML. In next video I am going to show you how you can generate the XML report, but compared to HTML, XML is not much useful, but in certain automation or certain integrations, XML is more helpful than HTML. So that's the reason I will be recording a separate video for XML as well. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.